Today, we're solving problem 24 from the Spring Amc 10B from 2021. Arjun and Beth play a game in which they take turns removing one brick or two adjacent bricks from one wall among a set of several walls of bricks, with gaps possibly creating new walls. The walls are one brick tall. For example, a set of walls of sizes 4 and 2 can be changed into any of the following by one move: 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 2, or 1, 1, 2. Arjun plays first, and the player who removed the last brick wins. For which starting configuration is there a strategy that guarantees a win for Beth? Now, you probably didn't catch what I read about the wall thing, but basically, if we have a wall that splits in two, Arjun plays first. He can remove two bricks as long as they're adjacent to each other. So in this case, Arjun wins. Okay? But like if it was like this, he can either remove this one brick or these two bricks. Same goes with Beth. And now, here's the thing. We want a strategy that guarantees a win for Beth. Basically, we can just start plugging all of these in, because for these type of problems, there's like which of these configurations, not find a configuration. Let's start with A, 6, 1, 1. Now you might already be asking, well, how can we tell that if there's a strategy that like they will win or lose? Well, Arjun plays first, and the person who takes out the last brick wins. If someone could, so let's just put up a basic example. So, but it has to be odd, and we know that the sum has to be odd because if the odds are better if it's odd. And basically, if Arjun removes a set of bricks and the rest of the bricks are can be symmetrical, then that means that Arjun wins and Beth sadly loses. But we can start really testing these moves. So let's start with A. I'm gonna draw an arrow to this. Now for A, another word for this is being symmetric. So what we can do is, Arjun can play a move. If he takes these two, then we have four walls in a row left and two of these. Whatever Beth does, Arjun can copy it or be symmetric to it. If Beth removes this one, Arjun can remove that one. If Beth decides to remove this one, Arjun can remove that one. And it goes on and on until Arjun wins. So that's how symmetry kind of works in this problem. We know that A is wrong because we just tested it. Now B, that's interesting. 6, 2, 1. The sum is already odd, but that's just a thought of mine. It's already kind of tingling, but let's just see what happens. 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, and 1. Now, if you pause the video and see that if Arjun can remove any set of bricks to make it symmetrical, can he? Well, apparently, he actually cannot, because whatever he does, it won't be symmetrical. But, it could be correct, but there's also one that sums up to an odd number, E. So, answer choice E. Let's test it out just in case. 4, 5... 1, 2, and 2. Again, we can see whatever Arjun does. If Arjun, let's see here. If he takes out this middle one, then this is left in as 3, 2, 3, 2. Where, again, Arjun can copy whatever Beth does. So this is wrong. And you can go test out all the answer choices to see that they're all wrong, except B, which is our final answer in this problem.